Imagine a natural substance found high in the Himalayas, formed over centuries, packed with minerals and bioactive compounds that may boost energy, testosterone, and even brain health. Sounds almost mythical, right? Well, it's real, and it's called Shilajit. But is it the secret to vitality after 35, or just another overhyped supplement? Shilajit is a sticky, tar-like resin that seeps out of rocks in high mountain ranges, most famously the Himalayas. It forms over centuries from the slow decomposition of plants and minerals, giving it a unique profile rich in fulvic acid and over 80 trace minerals. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, often referred to as the conqueror of mountains or destroyer of weakness. Modern research suggests Shilajit may indeed support energy, endurance, testosterone, and cognitive health. Let's dive into some of the most promising advantages this mountain miracle might offer. First and foremost, Shilajit is renowned for its ability to boost energy and stamina. By enhancing mitochondrial function, the powerhouses within our cells, it may help improve overall energy production and reduce fatigue. This could be a game changer for adults over 35 who find themselves struggling to keep up with the demands of daily life. For men, Shilajit holds particular promise in supporting healthy testosterone levels. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less of this vital hormone, leading to decreased muscle mass, lower libido, and reduced overall vitality. Studies suggest that Shilajit may help increase both total and free testosterone, potentially combating this age-related decline and helping men feel more like their younger selves. But the benefits don't stop there. Shilajit's high fulvic acid content acts as a powerful antioxidant, potentially protecting our brains from free radical damage. This could translate to improved cognitive function, better memory, and sharper focus, all crucial factors for maintaining mental acuity as we age. The anti-aging potential of Shilajit is also worth noting. With its rich mineral profile and antioxidant properties, it may help slow cellular damage and support overall vitality. Some users report feeling more energetic, resilient, and youthful after incorporating Shilajit into their routines. Emerging research even points to potential benefits for heart and blood health. While more studies are needed, early findings suggest that Shilajit might help support healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Of course, as with any supplement, it's essential to consider potential side effects. While Shilajit is generally considered safe for most adults, some individuals may experience mild digestive upset, especially when first starting. Those with certain medical conditions, such as hemochromatosis or iron overload, should avoid Shilajit due to its high mineral content. As always, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen. When it comes to dosage, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Most studies have used doses ranging from 300 to 500 milligrams per day, typically divided into 2 doses. However, it's best to start with a lower dose and gradually increase as tolerated. Quality matters too. Look for purified Shilajit from reputable sources to ensure you're getting a safe, effective product. Now, you might be wondering if there are any food sources of Shilajit. Unfortunately, this isn't something you can easily add to your diet through conventional means. Shilajit is exclusively found in its raw form in specific mountainous regions. The good news is that high-quality Shilajit supplements are widely available, making it accessible to those interested in exploring its potential benefits. Let's address some frequently asked questions about Shilajit. Is Shilajit safe for everyone? While generally safe for most adults, those with certain medical conditions or who are pregnant or breastfeeding should consult a doctor before use. How long does it take to see results? Individual experiences vary, but many users report noticing improvements in energy and well-being within a few weeks of consistent use. Is Shilajit vegan? Yes, Shilajit is a naturally occurring substance and is suitable for vegans and vegetarians. How should Shilajit be stored? Keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency. What's the best time of day to take Shilajit? Morning or early afternoon is ideal to support daily energy. Avoid late evening use if it makes you feel too energized. Is Shilajit safe for people with diabetes? Some studies suggest Shilajit may help regulate blood sugar, but diabetics should only use it under medical supervision. Can Shilajit be taken by women? Yes, though many studies focus on men, women may benefit from improved energy, cognition, and antioxidant support. Can I combine Shilajit with other supplements? Yes, it's often stacked with ashwagandha, zinc, or CoQ10 for added vitality and recovery benefits. But it's best to consult your doctor, especially if combining with iron, testosterone boosters, or other mineral-heavy supplements. What's the difference between purified Shilajit and raw Shilajit? Raw Shilajit may contain heavy metals and contaminants. Always choose purified, lab-tested Shilajit for safety. It's always wise to check with a healthcare provider, especially if you're taking medications. It's important to note that while the potential benefits of Shilajit are exciting, more research is needed to fully understand its effects. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. If you're intrigued by Shilajit and want to stay up to date on the latest research and insights about this fascinating substance, consider subscribing to the Nutrient Link. Our channel delivers cutting-edge information on natural supplements, nutrition, and wellness strategies. Don't miss out on potentially game-changing discoveries that could help you feel your best after 35 and beyond. In conclusion, Shilajit stands out as a unique and potentially powerful ally in the quest for vitality as we age. While it's not a magic bullet, the combination of traditional wisdom and emerging scientific evidence suggests that this Himalayan treasure might indeed offer significant benefits for energy, hormonal balance, cognitive function, and overall well-being. As with any aspect of health, the key lies in a holistic approach, combining smart supplementation with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. Could Shilajit be the missing piece in your wellness puzzle? Only time and further research will tell, but for many adults over 35, it's certainly a natural option worth exploring in the journey towards optimal health and vitality.